Hello, I'm Mr. Spradlin, and this is a brief tour of the Scratch interface. Scratch is a basic programming language intended for instruction. Scratch makes programs using the concept of blocks and sprites. Blocks, such as the ones that I'm dragging out from the left-hand side, are little pieces of pre-made code. You can assemble these blocks in different ways and make your program. There's many different categories of blocks, such as motion, looks, and so forth. Each category does a different type of thing. Blocks work on sprites, and a sprite is simply a character in your program or game, such as the cat on the right-hand side. Here I've made a basic program that makes the cat bounce across the screen in a random direction. Notice how in Scratch you can even change a program while it's running, which is a pretty interesting feature. Here are a few of the main screen areas in Scratch that we'll be referring to in the class. First, the block palette on the left, then the script area in the middle where all your blocks go, the stage on the right-hand side where all the action happens, and finally the sprite list on the bottom right where all the sprites or game characters live. Let's have a look at a few of the categories of blocks in Scratch. In the motion section, we have blocks that control how the sprite moves across the screen. In the control section, there are blocks that will start and stop your program and control the order of execution. In the looks category, you can change the look of your sprite, change the color, change the size, make it say things in word bubbles, and so forth. And in sensing, we have blocks for detecting key presses, mouse clicks, and other actions. Finally, in variables, we don't see a whole lot yet for some reason. We'll get to that later.